Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just select one that we want to work on, like this. Then find the clip, tap on edit, scroll to the right, and here at the end we find reduce noise. Now if you have a video which has audio, then we can use this function. The thing is that currently I have an image inserted, so I can't use this, but in the case of a video you just tap on this, the app is going to analyze the sound, reduce the noise, and then in just a few seconds you will have a much better quality audio than before. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.